Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your GPU vendor and model, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, because each uses different installers. Once done, save progress and close Marvel rivals plus background apps to avoid conflicts. Make sure to note the current driver version and your Windows build so you can verify improvements later. Download the correct driver package from the vendor app or installer utility. Use the vendor updater tool rather than generic sites to reduce risk and ensure compatibility. You now run the vendor app or downloaded installer. Choose the game ready or equivalent driver for best Marvel Rivals performance. Select custom or clean install to remove remnants of prior drivers because leftover files can cause crashes. Follow the prompts, agree to components you need, and permit the installer to overwrite display drivers. During installation, expect a temporary black screen and an automatic restart. This is normal. After reboot, confirm the new driver version in Device Manager to proceed. You finish by rebooting and launching Marvel Rivals to test visual settings and frame rate, make small adjustments to presets and monitor stability. If the game crashes or performance worsens, roll back the driver in Device Manager or Boot Safe mode and restore the previous version, because that often fixes incompatibilities. If problems persist, use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove traces and reinstall the recommended driver. One key tip: keep the and the last known good driver installer available for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.